Hello, beautiful souls. If you're feeling stuck in a connection where you are not in touch with the person, so we are going to do a reading for you. Okay, this is for Aries. This is a no contact reading, and we will see what do the cards have. This is a general reading, guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Okay, so we will see what is happening. We will not be taking the cards in reverse. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for no contact situation, relation or connection for Aries. Okay, so let's see what is the current energy in this connection. What is the current energies in this connection? What is the current energies in this connection? What's the current energy in this connection? Okay, somebody is trying to create a balance here. Maybe trying to create a balance between how you have to deal with the things and how you have to deal with the situation. Basically, we'll clarify it a bit. Temperance. We'll clarify it a bit. Temperance. Let's clarify the Temperance card. What this card is trying to say for the current energy in this situation. Oh, Ace of Wands. Somebody is trying to figure out what is actually happening here. Maybe there are so many thoughts running in, and it's like you are trying to connect each thought with the other. It's like you are trying to figure out what is happening and which way you have to go. So basically, you are thinking of having a communication with the person if there is a need to, so that it can help you to move on. It's like basically you're trying to understand what's running in your mind, trying to understand the intuitions you're getting, and basically figuring out how you can communicate, and if you have to move forward with this connection, how you can make it better. And if it is a stuck situation where there's no possibility of getting along, then you're just trying to understand what your spiritual spiritually what messages you are getting, or intuitions what you are having, so that it can help you to move ahead in your life. Okay, let's see what are the thoughts of the person about you here. What is the person in your mind in which you are stuck, with whom you are stuck, is thinking? The person thinks you are a very strong person, very intelligent, very confident, and also that you are moving ahead in your life and not thinking about them. But on the contrary, you are having so many thoughts running in your mind, and you are trying to deal with each one of them. Okay, let's see what does the person feel for you here. What are their feelings here for this connection for you, Aries? What does the person feel for you here in this connection? What does the person feel for you here in this connection? I think for some of you, you also have set boundaries, and the person is not able to reach out to you, or is not able to get updates on you, and that is what somewhere is bothering you, and you have set a clear boundaries where you are not entertaining any drama, and that is what is causing this person to think what is going on with you, because it's again the Two of Wands. They are trying to reach out. They definitely have feelings for you, but they are trying to watch the situation from a distance instead of taking any action as of now. Yeah, why are they silent? Because they are not ready to take action. They are just trying to figure out from a distance what is happening with you, and what you are up to. Okay, what's running in your mind? There's so many wands are coming in. So there is a communication which is either in their mind it's happening, or they are definitely trying to reach out to communicate with you. We'll clear the Knight of Wands here. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands. Okay, yes, Seven of Cups. They are not sure if you are still thinking of them, or you have moved ahead in your life, because they are not able to get an update on you. What is happening? Are you talking to somebody else? What are you doing? Where are you? What's happening with you? So they are kind of figuring out whether they should reach out to you, or you are already having other things to look after. Maybe if they are also thinking that you might be speaking or talking to somebody else, or thinking of somebody else, and that is why they are trying to observe the things from a distance before they make a move towards you. Okay, what is blocking this connection here? Let's see what is blocking this connection here. Yep, fear. Subconsciously they are not sure of whether they should reach out. As I said, they are not sure of what is happening with you, and even not sure what if you have already have made your decision, you have made your choice, and it's like a fear coming out, popping up in their head. What will happen? What if I reach out to Aries and what they have already moved on? Will I be able to take that or not? And they are not able to decide between their head and heart what do they want. So yes, that is what is happening with this person. Alright, let's see what is their next move. And because they are not able to overcome this fear, they are not able to communicate or take an action or make a move towards you. Alright, their next move, yes, they will definitely try to reach out to you. They will try to reach out to you maybe in a week, I see, for some of you. And they will communicate, and they will be very open and honest in their communication. Maybe too much straightforward they have been before, and they are trying to figure out a way how they can reach out to you. If one of you has blocked the other person, then they may be waiting for this opportunity when you will unblock them, or they will unblock you, so that they can have a communication, or speak out, talk it out, and let's see where it goes. So they are basically ready to communicate. Yeah, the advice for you here is to be grounded, to focus on what do you want, and take you basically focus on your own growth, focus on self-love, self-healing, and self-care. Okay, so whatever is meant to stay will stay back, whatever is not will go, will leave apparently. But you do not have to compromise your own happiness, your own peace of mind, your own emotional stability, because the advice for you here is to focus on your work. If you're not able to, because of all this, focus on your work, be grounded, do some meditation, do some exercise, and that will help you stay connected with nature. Spend some time in nature. You may also travel to a place where there is so much of somewhere like some a place which is outside from the city noise and all that. So just try to do some self-healing, self-love work on yourself, and the focus on your work basically. So don't try to get yourself trapped in this energy of the person is not reaching out and all that. Rather, how you have set the boundaries for yourself is very good, and focus on your own growth. All right, set boundaries wherever it's not whatever the kind of behavior is not acceptable to you, just say no to it, and focus on your growth, on your career, on your work, on your own development. Maybe you can start working on a skill or a hobby which you used to love in your childhood, and now given the so much running in or going on in your life, you're not able to focus on that. So just try to do something which makes you happy. Okay, so that's the advice for you, dear Aries. So yep, so that was the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.